In order to install the software, go to the original email that we sent you after you ordered. Once you open up the email, it should look like this. Here are the links to download the files. Here's the first one, and the second one, and the third one. This is a PDF installation guide which shows you how to install the software in a PDF file if you need it. The first file you want to install is the actual forensic software. Click here and then click OK. WinZip should open it. Wait till the file is downloaded. Okay, once it's downloaded, this window should appear. Go ahead and extract it all on your desktop. You can always move it to a folder later. Once you extract it on your desktop, this window should come up and you can see some of the files. Again, once you download it, you click extract so it can download on, and you extract it on the desktop by selecting desktop, or you can extract it in a folder. If you extract it in a folder, make sure you know which folder that is so you can go into that folder and find the installation files. You still have not installed it. This is just extracting it from the zip file. Since I have extracted it on my desktop, I will go on my desktop now and select the setup file. Double click on the setup file. As you can see, I located the setup file and I double clicked on it. Click next. This is the directory where it will install the software: program files, forensic loan audit, forensic loan audit. You can always change this if you like into a different folder. Click next. Click next to install it. Now it is installing the software. Just wait until it installs and it says installation complete. Then you click close after it says installation complete. After you have installed it, a icon on the desktop will come up called finance.exe. Again, finance.exe. You double click on this file. After you click on the finance.exe icon, this window will appear, your security code, and a validate code window. You have to highlight the your security code box, which is to the right of where it says your security code. You can do this by putting your mouse cursor inside this box as follows, and then highlighting it. And then you can see the security code. Again, what you're trying to do is get the security code, copy it, and send it to us in the email. Even if the box is black, it's okay, the security code is still in there. Again, put your mouse cursor in the box to the right that says your security code, highlight it with your mouse, or right click, select all, right click again, copy, again, right click, select all. It will select the security code. It's okay even if you don't see it. On some machines you won't be able to see it, just depending on your screen setting. Um, the code is still highlighted even if you can't see it. Just make sure to right click and copy. Um, you can also put your mouse cursor in here, highlight everything, and press Control and C on your keyboard. Again, it's Control button and the letter C at the same time on your keyboard. And once you, by pressing Control and C, that copies this code. So once you have this code copied, you go back to the email. You go back to the email and you press compose or 2 and you create an email. And what you would do in the body is right click paste, and that would paste the code, and this code is the code that you send to us. When you send this code to us, we will reply back with a validate code, and you would take that validate code and you would put it in this box to the right of where it says validate code. For example, if we sent you a validate code, for example, that was JKS and a few numbers. This is just for example purposes. If we sent that to you, for example, if I were to receive this validate code, I would copy it and then put it in the validate code box by right clicking and pasting it and then pressing validate. Again, I would put the validate code that is sent, and I would put it in the validate code box and then click validate. This will unlock the software. Again, what you're trying to do is you're getting the security code, you're copying it, and you're going to paste that in an email and send it to us. If you cannot right click, paste, try pressing Control and V on your keyboard at the same time. This will paste the key into the email. You would send this security code, again that's the security code, the code to the right of the security box, to us, and we will send you a matching validate code. Again, you're going to send your security code to us, and we're going to send you a validate code.